lalaki ng mga yan.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, inay. Ano rin? Kinuha na kami garahe. Nagawa po sila ng kapwa-kupunan. Ang mga parking. Ayun po kami papayong nalalawa. May magandang lalaki. Ano po? Yan. Video ako yan. Ano po? Tingnan na. Nakapasok din. Wala po na yan.
Wala kami pakialam!
Labas ba?
Watch out and learn how to ease drive my small vehicle. I teach you how to drive a trailer truck.
Wait a minute.
Lang yan. It's so very easy.
Who are you?
Smooth lang. Bye. Bah, ito na si Bono. Ito na isa. Yes. Ah. Ito na. It's backing already.
Oh my
It's your
God!
turn. Your turn ba? Your turn. Yeah. Eh, isama mo yung chance. I-vlog natin siya. Ako, simula na kami pagyaman na kaming akat pamangkin. Yan, makatakay. Iwas sa kahon. Okay. Tama.
Binisik lang ay.
Easy. And shifter to back. So very easy. Easy na. What do you call this? It's maxi. Oh, maxi.
Aray ko.
Maxi. Neutral. And after you go,
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
malamig. The airpods. And sandal this. Yes, good. Tanggal this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sabay. Yeah, relax. It's cool. Yes. Binis ako pa rin.